How to balance stereo channels in Audio Director. First of all, open Audio Director on your computer and launch the project that contains the audio you want to adjust. Next, go to the Edit Audio section and locate the Volume and Pan tool. This tool allows you to control the left and right stereo channels individually, making it perfect for balancing your audio. Start by playing your audio and observing the levels of each channel. If one side is louder or more prominent than the other, adjust the horizontal line slider of pan track up or down to balance the audio between the channels. You can also adjust the volume level of each channel to achieve a more even sound. For precise control, you can use the Stereo Expander tool in the Apply Effects section to widen or narrow the stereo field, which can help balance the sound across both channels. Always use the preview option while adjusting to ensure your changes sound natural and balanced. Once you are satisfied with the stereo balance, click Apply to save your changes to the project. Now you know how to balance stereo channels in Audio Director. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more audio editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.